Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to access the ChatGPT API for free and get your API key. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along easily. Start by opening your web browser and heading to platform.openai.com. If you already have an OpenAI account, simply click on Login at the top right corner. If you don't have one yet, click Sign Up to create an account. This will work for both ChatGPT and the API. Since I already have a ChatGPT account, I'll just log in by clicking Login and entering my credentials. After logging in, we're ready to get the API key. Once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and click on the Dashboard button. Now, from the right side of the screen, select API Keys. This is where you can generate the key needed for API access. Before generating the API key, you'll need to verify your phone number. Click on Start Verification and enter your phone number when prompted. You'll receive a code via SMS, which you'll need to enter to complete the verification process. Once your phone number is verified, you can now create a new API key. Click on Create New Secret Key. You can name the key anything you like, for example, Test Key. After naming it, click Create Secret Key. Your new API key will now be displayed. Make sure to copy this key and save it somewhere safe. This is important because once you click Done, you won't be able to view the key again. If you lose it, you'll have to delete the old one and generate a new key. With your API key in hand, the next step is to make sure your account has credits, as you'll need them to use the API. OpenAI often offers free trial credits, but it's important to check your balance to ensure you can make API requests. To check your balance, go to Settings and then click on Billing. In the Billing section, click Add to Credit Balance to make sure you have at least $5. And there you have it. You've now successfully accessed the ChatGPT API, generated your API key, and confirmed that your account has credits. You're all set to start using the ChatGPT API. I hope this tutorial helped you get started. Thanks for watching.